we are discussing about renewable sources. So, as we are already know that India energy mix heavily skewed in favor of conventional sources, more particularly coal, big hydro plants. There are growing clamor for increasing share of renewable energy. Renewable sources of energy mainly include the solar, wind, small hydro, waste to energy, bio. They have numerous advantages. Conventional resources use as scarce resources, which is expected to exhaust in near future. Hydropower fall in the category of water is scarce resource, and we have seen that countries are having hard time securing their future water needs. Renewable sources, on the other hand, uses resources which abundant from the nature. Wind, solar resources won't exhaust, and even if fully exploited, other renewable sources such as waste to energy, bioenergy, turn waste into resources. This character of renewable sources also expected to give cost advantage, and once current technical and economic barriers are overcome, like there is coal market, oil market, there cannot be any market of wind and solar resources in future, resulting in fluctuation in raw material. Hence, only cost is infrastructure and operational cost is mainly for management and maintenance. Another strong argument is of environmental cost and conventional resources, which are enormous. While doing the cost-benefit analysis, if we include the cost of damage to ecology, then renewable energy is preferable even if its current economic costs are substantially higher. Combustion of fossil fuel emits greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, monoxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, methane, coal undergo incomplete combustion, which emits the carbon soot and more carbon monoxides, which both cause respiratory problem and extremely poisonous affinity with the hemoglobin cells, and it can exterminate oxygen human cells. Further, coal mining operations are one of the riskiest job and gross violation of human rights minor to the have safe working environment. Has been instance where miners are killed mining roof, polyps, suffocation and hazardous gases. Similarly, oil rig and pipeline have time again leaked sea, causing havoc in marine ecology. Nuclear energy has been give hazardous radioactive waste, and any accident can cause a genetic mutation in the affected people. Further use of nuclear energy might have some link with the corresponding increased nuclear arms because of growth and free flow of nuclear knowledge. So backdrop, fortunately cost of clean energy, particularly wind and solar, is falling from years. There have been technological barrier and unsupportive external environment, which is now turning around by increasing competition, industry and indigenous innovation too. For the government attempt to positive government attempts intervention diplomacy with countries such as Germany is expected bring many benefits. Advocacy for renewable energy also came from the United Nations through its United Nations Framework Convention Climate Change is Pursuance, which India adopted a National Action Plan for Climate Change. This action plan 8 core mission is among the two mission: National Solar Mission, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, direct and around 23% rural India continue to traditional fuels such as firewood, crop residue, cow dung. This is environment and health concern, and their combustion release poisonous gases. So bring hardship on rural women and girls spend substantial time collecting this fuel. In recent years, decentralized clean energy sources increase use of portable solar cooker. Catching up this is important part of inclusive and sustainable development. Renewable power generation is expanded rapidly on the back of various incentives such as concession loan, tax holiday, 100% depreciation allowances, also allow 100% FDI. So government is like 22 country as a result sector growing 20%. So wind energy dominant source. Wind is 50,000 megawatt, solar is 10,000 megawatt, bio is 500 and small hydro 21,000 and bagages is the 1400. So see the chart, India ranked 5th in the renewable energy, 12 plant advises development in the following grid interaction. So it is the see, this is the chart: nuclear energy and thermal energy, then renewable, then hydro. There's the wind energy is the highest, then solar, then bio, then small hydro. So China is the highest in the renewable energy, then United States, then Germany, then Spain, then Italy, then India. So China is the globally positioned renewable installed capacity is highest, then United States, then Germany, then Spain, then Italy, then India. India's rank is the 5th and 6th. Okay. A Department of Non-Conventional Energy Sources and a Ministry of Energy converted Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Source and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. So it's an Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency IREDA to promote develop the financial support in renewable energy, and now ministry is under Ministry of State Piyush Goyal, and Ministry of Power, Ministry of Coal integration expected to bring the more clarity in integrated approach. Germany is the back of the government support through the general subsidy undergoing the 25% energy renewable backed and 50/80 clean energy. Fukushima disaster decided completely rid of the nuclear energy. Germany is the household has small solar photovoltaic plants and sells surplus energy to national grid utility. Lucrative rates and Indo-German Energy Forum is there to cooperation in energy efficient grid improvement. United States engaged with the India Clean Energy dialogues to low carbon energy, and the PM visit the US conclude energy partnership with the USA agreed 1 billion loan. National Clean Energy Fund is there to promote research development in clean energy, and 15 tons clean energy says this is pursue polluter pay principle. Fund is mainly utilized the promotion renewable energy, cleaner energy, grid improvement, and this corpus fund is severely underutilized, misused, realized, so being used making good budgetary shortfall. Renewable energy certificates are there, so under the distribution company Discom have obligation to purchase a certain amount of renewable energy. This was needed. The renewable energy is expensive when compared to the conventional source. To fulfill the obligation, renewable power purchase are 1 megawatt hour power is grid. So Discom money is earned with the reduced cost of power, and there is a market. Its price will fluctuate. So Discom demands will be where the price difference was there. So Discom will do cost benefit analysis. Expensive renewable energy buy certificates get this obligation. RC policy mechanism to promote renewable energy power generation and technology such as wind, solar thermal, biomass, hydro, and trading certificates. Off-grid interactive grids. Renewable energy grids are interactive ones, format the energy for their own needs. Solar water pumps, solar water heaters, and there is standalone power plants, solar power, small hydro, particular the industry remote area. Grid interactive system connected national grid, rooftop, and grid interactive. There is a smart system which is direct current altering the now the managed supply to user, automatically switching grid power due to the bad weather. Advanced metering is there, renewable sources, locality, and direct the total electricity bill. Further, the facility of transferring the electricity variability problem, renewable energy. Now weather is variable, and so sunlight in wind is not present at the all time. So speed the direction. This will result variation in speed, and true for the solar plants and sun ray where throughout the intensity depending upon the when the proportion of the variable power is high to total power grids, so wastage and inefficiency losses increase. So smart grid is there, and green energy corridor project is facilitate renewable energy for 43,000 crore. Assistant to the Germany and development and technical assistant €1. Objective of power are solar and wind to wall projects are interstate to be developed by state utility, intrastate to develop a power grid operation system would be made dynamic, handle the variation leading interacting grid. Another is the hybrid wind solar power plants. Many are both wind and solar and battery bank store power in the Haryana Morni Hills. Wind energy is the largest share in the 21 gigawatt, and government launched the wind resource assessment program. Wind monitoring locations are the wind energy potential grow height 50 heights and 103 gigawatt highest Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. And wind is required like Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Land is major constraint in India. 2% of land is available for sector. Potential offshore wind energy also under the assessment, and global 7 gigawatt harness from the offshore winds and 350 gigawatt for the offshore energy potential. Now, generation based incentive scheme is for their FDI in the sector independent power purchase. It currently allows the dispersal of subsidy and 1 crore and under the capacity. So windmills have been dangerous threatened. This is again the flamingo, great Indian bustards, whiteback vulture, and waste to energy, biomass power, and bagasse cogeneration program. Biomass power is derived from the agriculture, husk, shell, straws, and cake. This is put high pressure and boiler. Bagasse is the residue of sugarcane, left the extraction of juice. Traditional use sugar mill and various processes such as boiling. Advancement of technology, efficient and small turbines to generate electricity, and turn turbine also providing the energy is directly for the process. This is called the cogeneration. and sugar mill, and they can sell surplus power in markets. Combined power generation capacity 4 gigawatt, potential is 70,000 gigawatt, biomass power 5,000 gigawatt. Energy from municipal waste is the involved thermal treatment, and this is the combustion waste to generate steam, quite popular in development country and address the waste management problem.